Values.
What is values for you? Oo. Ano daw? Ano yung sagot mo?
Ari. Si Rex naman.
Okay. Eto na.
Go, Rex.
The question was, what are the values you're going to gain from this competition?
Question mo kayo, no? Magkabat.
The question mo kay Ines, these are hands sa Quezon City. What are the values you're going to gain from that competition?
Hindi lang yung answer ko.
Yeah.
Ano ganyan liwat, B?
Ay, lang. Dumako ko lang lang. Ay, ganun may lang ka. Hello. Only one take two. Ayan kay Shepoy na lang.
I think in Shepoy, what are the characteristics that makes you unique from other people, from these other contestants that will make you win this competition? I think so.
Iba ka na lang pala. Kinasabta na lang. Shepoy, ganito.
What are the characteristics that make you unique from other contestants that will make you win this competition?
Actually, Jepoy's question was what it takes to be a Campus Ultimate Hawk 2010.
Siyempre, yung sinagot ko dun kanina is, before I answer that question, I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to those people who support me. And back to your question, please. Pardon. Yun yung sabi ko kanina, di ba? Pero sa wakas, nasagot ko rin at nanalo rin. Yes. Pero kanina ngayon hindi na maintindihan kung ano. Sipain na ako bukas.
Ngayon hindi ka na hang. Junk ka na junk.
Junk food.
Yes. Okay, so ready na ba si... Asaan yun? Wala pa?
Kasapat.
Saan si ano?
Pina?
Joe.